What it actually is an integrative type of counselling, which means basically in layman's terms that there are different approaches to counselling, and there's 3 different approaches. One is called psychodynamic, and an easy way to explain this is that it looks into childhood patterns, the sorts of beliefs that we've been conditioned with, the things that we've learned, the experiences that we've had throughout our childhood or throughout growing up. And it also looks at the patterns laid down and the sorts of things that, even though when we become an adult, we don't think of these sorts of things, sometimes unconsciously we bring patterns with us and behaviours that don't benefit us or that are a bit outdated. And so the psychodynamic side is about looking at that and sometimes thinking, well, is there something here that you might be repeating, or something that is a bit outdated? Is there another way of looking at this? Is there another choice you can make? So that's the one side of it. Then there's another side, which is a humanistic side. Humanistic counselling is more like dealing with what's happening in the here and now and what's going on in your life, what's influencing you at the moment, socially, psychologically, emotionally, in any way, and focusing and looking at what's going on for you and working through maybe not only what's going on for you now, but also obviously connecting that to childhood patterns. And then there's a third side, which is called transpersonal psychology. And that's a kind of a spiritual side to psychosynthesis. It's not about belonging to any particular religion, although I have seen people who have been religious. Spirituality is not about religion. To me, spirituality can be about somebody coming to me and saying, you know, I've got a lovely house, I've got a lovely husband, I've got 2 gorgeous children. On the face of things, I've got everything that I could possibly want, and yet I still feel as if something's missing from my life. And sometimes people need help to discover what that's about. And so I guess in a way you can call that a kind of a spiritual seeking, a way of journeying through your life and finding more meaning and more purpose. And so I think the unique thing about psychosynthesis is that it looks at all areas of your life and also tries to bring things together, help the client to make sense of their life and make sense of everything about themselves.